Right, hello happy gardeners. I'm on my allotment again and I'm just trying to think of what else can I make videos about. And I'm thinking of doing some workshops as well. So, well, just making videos making me bored, so I just thought, why don't I teach people one-on-one? Like, why not? Like, if you want to sign up, if you're up for something like that, you have kids like I do, if you want really spend time with your kids in nature, I don't know, just look for the bags, collect leaves. I'll teach you how to plant, pot. So if you're up for something like that, let me know. I live in Cornwall, St. Austell. I'll let you know where. I'll make an event. That'll be probably for, I would say, maximum 10 people at a time. So maybe 8 families with 2 kids each, or 5 families with 3 kids each, depends. Because my allotment is not too big, so I won't be able to host too many people, but that'll be fun. I'll play some music, we'll just walk around, collect some leaves. As I said, we'll do maybe lesson about composting, how to pot seeds, and journey from seeds to the plate. I can show you what you can sow right now, what you can make, or I'm just gonna do like courses for parents who want to have allotment but don't know how to start and where to start. So I'll just talk with you through what you can do some coaching. Usually people pay what, 12-15 pounds per hour if they leave their kids to look after them. I might take 25 quid for 3 hours, which is less than that. Obviously that will be per head. I've got my own bills as well, and I'm trying to quit my job. I want to do something with kids, like they have fun, I have fun. I want other people to have fun as well and show them that you can be self-sufficient, live off the ground. You don't have to go to shops, you don't have to go to doctors non-stop. You can always buy a book from a doctor how to self-heal, what to use, what vegetables to use. There's always something you can think of. Like today I was just writing down 50 herbs in my notebook on which I want to do videos, and I just thought to myself, gosh, like one of those plants, of those weeds, you call them weeds, I don't think they are weeds, they are better than vegetables in my opinion, some of them, and they heal so many sicknesses, illnesses, headaches, blood pressure, and I would just love to share that with you. Obviously meet new people. I want my kids to have someone to play with as well. So if you have kids, they'll play with my kids. And yeah, I'll tell you something about myself, why I do what I do, how do we heal. Obviously, I'm not saying we don't go to doctors or hospital, because sometimes you have to, and let's not be ridiculous, but most of the time you don't have to go to doctors. You just need to educate yourself, which obviously takes time, but it's worth it. And I would advise anyone who's looking for advice on, I don't know, just chill out, like how to chill out in this world. There's too many impulses, and people are hyperactive right now. It's just money, and there's nothing to talk about really with them, especially at work. Most of them, they just talk about football and all that crap. I get if you play football, if you just watch it like every day, it's just I don't get that. Just do something with your life, come on. And yeah, so if you're up for gardening clubs, one-on-one courses, or let's say 4 to 6 weeks club, which will be a bit more expensive, but you're gonna learn everything from me personally, and I'll show you where you can get allotment as well, or garden, and assist you. So hope you have a good day, and this week, because it's really sunny, take care of yourself, of your garden, your kids, and make every day count, because we only live usually 80 years, and retirement is just illusion. Everyone should be retired now. So have fun, stay safe, bye.